So it is day 2 of recording with my phone. So day 2, this is my outfit. This is their outfits. We're taking some shots. Oh, let's talk about yesterday actually. We went to a party. It was small, wasn't about it. So we kind of just like slept in early. Everybody else went to those after parties at the 2 like main venues. I'm sure it was fun, but honestly, I feel energized. I feel ready to go. And we got that meetup today too. Went to my friend Gino's hotel, bringing some beers. Bringing the charger because I didn't fully charge it yet. And since I'm vlogging with my phone, yeah, I have to. What are you even? What is it?
You gotta stretch your flexors. This guy knows.
I mean, so we're here at Gino's hotel. That's Gino. And this is the fam that he's rolling with. Got my boy here. Shout out to Kandi Bar for providing me with all this tradable candy. The fit. Shout out to Official. Shout out to Canada Diva for this necklace. We rolling deep, bro. Rolling deep.
I'm gonna keep doing it until they look.
Whoa. Oh, shit. Dude, where do you buy those things? God damn. God damn, bro. Sheesh. Minutes, and this is where we're at now.
They're at the nap stage.
What the fuck?
What time are we going?
3, I think.
We're going at 3? Or for like a whole ceremony type thing.
Damn, stop flexing, bro.
It's making me good because it's like.
Okay. We're here. We're doing things. Yeah, we just parked and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Got through the entrance, grabbed a double drink. We're good to go. Hey, we're here. We're vibing, dude. How's it going? We're doing things. So I got my drink. We're ready to go. It's pretty early still, but I wanted to be here a little early. It's good. It's good. People here, beautiful people right there. We're gonna go to this thing though. We're doing this shit, dude. Hey! What up? We're on the ride. It's 4:50. I hope we make our own meetup. We're vibing. There goes my arm, bro. Oh my god, my arm almost came off because I gave this guy a high five. Great. I know what I'm doing. This is our boy Sunny, man. Colorado bass heads, right fucking third. We got Isaiah, bass heads, bro, representing my dude. Hey, we got that event next week, Base Capital Queens. If you're looking at this vlog, and you're in Denver, head over there, dude. It's the best thing you could do. I'm telling you, support the ladies of the EDM scene. I'm telling you. What? What do we got going on here? Who's this?
My name is Jeff.
Hey.
Dan.
My name is Jim.
My name is Jeff.
Good meeting you guys, man. Hell yeah.
I like your fit, dude.
Hey, appreciate it, brother.
This man is fucking ripped.
He's fucking not lying.
Like a dirty faucet.
Guys, this is my OnlyFans clothes.
Shit.
Fucking doing something here. I know.
Same with fucking him.
Oh my God. Hello. We're at the thing. We're doing the thing.
Yes. I made stickers.
Look what we got over here. We got the fam. Fuck, bro. We just had the group meetup. We had a hell of people. Patients coming soon. Kandi Bar and I. Bro, we fucking killed it. We fucking.
Look at my titties.
Look at those fucking titties. They're huge.
House cat.
They're fucking huge. We got done with the group meetup, the picture, the things. We're just fucking around. Man, this fucking girl over here, be giving me fucking shots and shit. The fuck? I'm down though.
Oh, save Frisky. Save him.
Save the fuck
Get out
for
of my way. I'm trying to show him my vagina.
Look at that shit. Look at that.
I already
Oh, we're here at the silent disco. Wow! We're the silent discos. I don't know if there's any music, but okay. We're here. We're doing it with Kandi Bar. They got this front. And we got this camera. Let's put the air for the fucking boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I'm done being backstage. I'm here with the crowd. I'm gonna see who I'm gonna go see next though. I don't know. Oh my God, I haven't seen you since Ubby Dubby. What the fuck is up? We got Ryan and we got his girlfriend. Hello. Hey, are you happy? Why? Why are you happy?
Just to see the people love what I love, being happy too.
So I finished all of this. These were the taco nachos at the food truck. Pretty good. Not gonna lie. So this is Bobby, this is ex-Karma's dad. What are you doing?
I'm trying to keep my kid out of jail. These two over
This is
here.
Mom. Oh my God. She's shy, she's shy. Oh no.
Look at these two over here.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, Karma, what are you laughing at? What is that? Oh my God. My camera fell, okay.
What?
Oh my God, is that Mr. Brondo? Oh my God.
Hold on.
Hold on, the camera's clean.
Hey, Corbin, what's up here? 3, 2, 1. There we go.
shit is insane.
He's great, man. I'm telling you, this dude is fucking fantastic. I'm here with Tyler. It's the end of the night.
We're lost.
We're not lost. We're just waiting for our friends. We're about to go to bed though, low key. This is the morning after. A couple things about the event that I really loved was VIP being in the front. Amazing. The sets, tons of great artists. The back-to-backs, great, phenomenal. I do wish the stages were a little bigger, but I mean, you really can't do much with what you got, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Until the next one.